Ashwini Gujral, good morning to you as well. Markets are extremely range bound. That's the easy part. The difficult part is, how do you make money when markets are range bound?
Good morning, Nikunj. Like we said yesterday that it will be difficult to trade the indices because follow-through is missing, and that is the reason you need to concentrate on individual mid-cap stocks, and REC, PFC, etc. did fairly well to make some money yesterday. So every day it will probably be a new set of stocks, a new sector that you should look at. For the moment, indices will be extremely tough to trade, and there will be no bang for the buck. So the risk reward is probably, less than 1:1. So good time to avoid the index. Today will be difficult because, as it is, the size of the moves have reduced quite a bit. And within that, if you get a volatile day like today, so today is best avoided because last 1 hour, could disturb things. So Nifty for the day needs to stay above 5143 to remain positive. Support comes in at 5126, 5112. Resistance comes in at 5157 and 5174. Bank Nifty must stay above 10,038. CNX IT must stay above 6036. BTST from yesterday, Polaris was a buy with a stop about 120, target of 135. PFC was a buy with a stop about 167, target of 182. REC was a buy with a stop about 178, target of 193. Fresh calls, JSW Energy, that's a buy with a stop about 48, target of 57. IDFC is a buy with a stop about 131, target of 144. APIL is a buy with a stop about 378, target of 400. United Phosphorus is a buy with a stop about 118, target of 132. GMDC is a buy with a stop about 182, target of 195. And Aban is a buy with a stop about 348, target of 372.